that is Purna, this is Purna. From that Purna manifests this Purna, and when this Purna is removed from that Purna, what remains is again Purna. It is talking about limitlessness or infinity. If you remove infinity from infinity, what remains is infinity. If you add infinity to infinity, what remains is infinity. Any talk about infinity becomes trivial. You cannot make any differentiation. Whatever you do, you will end up with the same thing. It is as good as not talking about it. But there is something in mathematics which says that there is something more to infinity. Set of natural numbers. How many natural numbers are there? Infinite. But what one mathematician did 150 years ago, I think he's a German mathematician, his name is Cantor. So instead of simply calling it infinite, he introduced a term called cardinality, and the size. Cardinality means size of the infinite set. After natural numbers, the next thing is integers. With your simplistic understanding, you would say that the size of the integer set, which is also infinite set, would be 2 alpha. But he came up with the mathematical procedure through which they could compare infinite sets. It's called one-to-one correspondence method. And he found that finally it becomes alpha only. It gets reduced to alpha. The next is rational numbers. Now rationals, as you can see, is a combination of 2 integers. So size of the rationals, which are also infinite, has to be alpha squared. But then again he employed his mathematical procedure. Finally that also reduces to alpha. Next in sequence is obviously real numbers. And they found that the cardinality of real numbers comes to 2 to the power alpha. This particular mathematician showed that when the cardinality is 2 to the power alpha, it is greater than alpha. Now we have mathematically shown that there can be infinities of different sizes. Not only do we have different sizes of infinity, we also have different kinds of infinity actually. All these above ones, they're all quantized. They're discontinuous. They're infinite, but they're limited. Whereas the other one is a continuum. This exactly matches what is told in the invocation mantra of the Upanishads. Purnam Ataha is a continuum infinity. What it is referring to as idam is a quantum infinity. As you can see, this comes out of that. But that cannot come out of this. It's not mutual. And the mantra is also not talking about mutual. So what the mantra says is that is infinite. This is also infinite. But this infinite has come out of that. And when you have taken this infinite out of that infinite remains as it is. It doesn't lose anything. Continuum doesn't lose anything if you remove the quantum infinity out of it. It still remains a continuum.